Welcome to our channel, where we explore some of the most fascinating and exciting topics in the world of aviation. If you're a fan of high-speed action, advanced technology, and daring military maneuvers, then you've come to the right place. In this video, we take a closer look at one of the most iconic fighter jets in history, the MiG-29. From the sleek design to the advanced capabilities, this aircraft is a true marvel of modern engineering. So, make sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever we publish new content. Trust us, you won't want to miss a second of the heart-pounding action that awaits. Today, we're going to be diving deep into one of the most iconic fighter jets in the world, the MiG-29. This Russian-made aircraft has been around for over 3 decades and has played a crucial role in many conflicts around the world. In this video, we're going to be analyzing and reviewing this impressive aircraft, looking at its history, design, technology, and capabilities. To begin a comprehensive analysis of the MiG-29 jet, it is important to understand its history. The MiG-29 was first designed and built in the late 1970s by the Mikoyan Design Bureau, which was a Soviet aerospace design bureau. The main purpose of creating this aircraft was to develop a fighter jet that could outperform the American F-15 Eagle in air-to-air combat. The MiG-29 was first introduced into service in the Soviet Union in 1983 and was soon exported to several other countries, including India, Syria, and Iran. The aircraft was designed with a delta wing and 2 Klimov Road 33 turbofan engines, which provided it with excellent maneuverability and speed. It was also equipped with a powerful radar system and a range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. One of the most notable features of the MiG-29 is its advanced avionics system, which includes a helmet-mounted sight that allows the pilot to aim weapons simply by looking at the target. The aircraft also has a fly-by-wire flight control system, which provides the pilot with precise control over the aircraft and allows for a high degree of maneuverability. The MiG-29 is primarily designed for air-to-air combat, but it is also capable of air-to-ground and reconnaissance missions. The aircraft is highly maneuverable and can perform a wide range of aerobatic maneuvers, including the famous Cobra maneuver. The MiG-29 has seen action in several conflicts around the world, including the Gulf War, Yugoslav Wars, and the Syrian Civil War. In the Gulf War, the Iraqi Air Force used the MiG-29 to try to counter the American-led coalition's air superiority, but the aircraft performed poorly due to a lack of training and maintenance. In the Yugoslav Wars, the Serbian Air Force used the MiG-29 to defend against NATO airstrikes, and the aircraft performed reasonably well. In the Syrian Civil War, the Syrian Air Force has used the MiG-29 to conduct airstrikes against rebel positions. Let's take a closer look at the design of the MiG-29. The aircraft has a length of 17.37 meters, a wingspan of 11.36 meters, and a height of 4.73 meters. One of the most notable features of the MiG-29 is its twin-engine design, which gives it a high degree of redundancy and makes it more reliable in combat situations. The aircraft also has a unique, thrust vectoring, system, which allows it to change the direction of its thrust during flight. This gives it incredible maneuverability and makes it capable of pulling off high-G maneuvers that many other fighter jets simply can't match. In terms of weaponry, the MiG-29 is capable of carrying a wide range of weapons, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-surface missiles, and bombs. It can also be equipped with a 30mm cannon for close-range combat. The MiG-29 is equipped with a powerful radar system that can detect and track multiple targets at once, making it an excellent air-to-air fighter. It also has an infrared search and track (IRST) system that allows it to detect and track heat sources, such as other aircraft or ground-based vehicles. One of the most advanced features of the MiG-29 is its glass cockpit, a state-of-the-art cockpit design that uses digital displays and advanced avionics to provide pilots with real-time situational awareness. This allows pilots to quickly assess threats and make informed decisions in combat situations. The MiG-29 is a highly capable fighter jet that is designed primarily for air-to-air combat, but it is also capable of performing air-to-ground and reconnaissance missions. The MiG-29 is renowned for its exceptional maneuverability, which allows it to outmaneuver many other fighter jets. It can perform high-speed turns, rolls, and other aerobatic maneuvers with ease, making it a formidable opponent in dogfights. The MiG-29 is a very fast and high-flying aircraft. It has a top speed of around Mach 2.25 and a service ceiling of around 60,000 feet, which allows it to fly above most other fighter jets. The MiG-29's avionics system is highly advanced, featuring advanced radar systems, navigation and communication equipment, and electronic countermeasures. This allows the pilot to detect and evade threats more effectively, as well as to communicate with ground forces and other aircraft. The MiG-29 is equipped with a variety of weapons systems, including air-to-air missiles, air-to-ground missiles, and bombs. This allows it to engage a wide range of targets, from enemy aircraft to ground-based targets such as tanks and other military vehicles. The MiG-29 is capable of in-flight refueling, which allows it to remain airborne for extended periods of time and greatly increases its operational range. This is particularly useful for long-range missions or for providing air support over large areas. While the MiG-29 is not designed to be a stealth aircraft, it does incorporate some stealth features, such as a reduced radar cross-section and the use of radar-absorbent materials. This makes it more difficult for enemy radar systems to detect and track the aircraft. Overall, the MiG-29 is a highly capable and versatile fighter jet that is well suited for a wide range of missions and environments. Its advanced capabilities make it a formidable opponent in air-to-air combat, while its versatile weapons systems allow it to engage a wide range of targets on the ground. Thanks for watching our video on the MiG-29 fighter jet. We hope you found this analysis informative and enjoyable. If you're as passionate about aviation as we are, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to be notified whenever we release new content. By subscribing, you'll never miss a moment of the thrilling action, fascinating technology, and cutting-edge design that we explore on our channel. And if you have any suggestions for future videos, feel free to leave a comment below. We love hearing from our viewers and appreciate your support. Thanks again for watching, and we'll see you in the skies.